Hello friends, I hope you all are safe in this pandemic. So this video is about COSO framework. So let's get started. What is the COSO framework? The most broadly accepted model for designing and assessing internal control is the Internal Control Integrated Framework established in 1992 by COSO. The original COSO framework consists of five mutually reinforcing components. They are meant to be integrated with an organization's management processes and applied in successive iterations to adapt to changing conditions. In an effective internal control system, the following five components work to support the achievement of an entity's mission, strategies, and related business objectives. Below are the five components. The first component is control environment. Control environment sets the tone of control consciousness for the employees in an organization. The element of this point is exercise integrity and ethical values, make a commitment to competence, issue assignment of authority and responsibility, and utilize human resources policies and procedures. Second component is risk assessment. Risk assessment analyze and think what could go wrong. The element of this point are create company wide objectives, incorporate process level objectives, and perform risk identification and analysis. Third component is control activities. Control activities, policy, and procedures to ensure compliance with management directives. Component of these points are improve security, conduct application, change management. Fourth component of this framework is information and communication. Information and communication refers to the identification and transfer of information to internal and external users. Elements of these points are measure quality of information and measure effectiveness of communication. The fifth and the last component of this framework is monitoring. Monitoring process that assesses the quality of internal control performance over time. Elements of these points are perform ongoing monitoring, conduct separate evaluations, and report deficiencies. So friends, these were the five effective components of updated COSO frameworks. These components work to establish the foundation for sound internal control within the company through directed leadership, shared values, and a culture that emphasizes accountability for control. If you like the video or if you have any doubt, so please write in the comment section. Thank you.